Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, class. Good morning, Miss Lecturer. First, we want to thank you all for your presence in this class and today's presentations. Second, let me introduce myself. My name is Ananda Fitriani. I am as a moderator, and my partner is... Next slide, please. My partner is Clara Aurora, Devani Nurosifa, Dewi Kinasi, M. Agus Halafizu, and Nur Fadilah. In this presentation, we will discuss about academic writing. So the first slide will be explained by Clara. Clara, time is yours.
Okay, thank you, Nanda. First, I will tell you about definition of academic writing. Academic writing is the process of writing analytically, the breaking down of ideas with purpose of presenting information that depicts a clear understanding of a certain subject. Academic writing is the process of presenting ideas in a rational, organized, systematic, reasonable, and logical way. Next slide. The ideas of academic writing is first, reasonable, organized, rational, systematic, and the last is logically. I'll return to Nanda.
Thank you, Clara, for the explanation. So the next slide will be explained by myself. The next slide is a list of documents where academic writing is used. Next slide, please. First, book reviews, and then essays, research report, research proposal, scientific paper, academic journal, dissertation, and thesis. These are written to obtaining an advanced degree at a college or university. And the last is abstract. This is a short summary of a long document. The next slide will be explained by Nur. Nur, time is yours.
Okay, thank you to the moderator. These types of academic writing, the first is descriptive, the second is narration, and the last is persuasive or argumentative. I return to the moderator.
Thank you, Nur, for the explanations. Next slide will be explained by Dewi Kinasih. Dewi, time is yours.
Okay, thank you, moderator. The first, descriptive. It tells how something looks, feels, smells, tastes, and or sounds. A good description is a word pictures. The reader can imagine the object. Second, narration, to give an account or tell the story of something, someone, or an event. Use time order to organize sentence. Third, argumentative or persuasive, to induce readers to believe in writers' opinions or view through appealing reasons to convince readers. I return to the moderator. Thank you.
Thank you, Dewi, for the explanation. Next slide. Next slide will be explained by Nur. Nur, time is yours.
Thank you. Okay, these characteristic of academic writings are planning, outline, point of view, approach, language, and formal tone. I return to the moderator.
Thank you, Nur, for the explanations. And this slide will be explained by Devani. Devani, time is yours.
Okay, thank you for the moderator. I will explain the characteristic academic writing. For the first is planning. There is a certain amount of planning before you start writing the paper, analytical and organized. The second one is outline. A proper outline is must for academic writing. Help you formulate your thought, make you aware of certain relationship between topics. It will help you determine the pertinent information to be included in your paper. And the last is tone. A formal tone is used. You do not use slang words, jargon, abbreviations, or many cliches. I will return to moderator.
Thank you, Devani, for the explanations. This slide will be explained by M. Agus Alhafizu. M. Agus Alhafizu, time is yours.
Okay, thank you, moderator. The next characteristic is language. The language in your paper needs to be clear and words need to be chosen for their precision. The thesaurus is a good tool to help you pick just the right words to explain the issues. The next is point of view. The point of view in the third person, as the focus of academic writing is to educate on the facts, not support an opinion. The next is approach. Deductive reasoning is a big part of academic writing, as your readers have to follow the path that proves you to your conclusion. Deductive reasoning and an analytical approach are important in academic writing. Much planning and forethought are needed to have a well-organized paper. Okay, thank you. I will return to the moderator.
Thank you, Agus, for the explanations. So that's all from Group 6. Thank you for your attentions. Wabillahi taufiq wal hidayah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.